This morning we are going to be entering into the world of mathematics and at the same time swim into the equation of the topic that says ratio. We are going to be discussing ratio as a topic. Last week we discussed, okay, it is still under general arithmetic.
Yes.
We discussed, what is it called? Which topic did you discuss last week? The one we just finished solving. No, fraction.
Yes.
Fraction, right?
Yes.
So today we are going to discuss ratio. Idea? Ratio. Now, of course, we know what ratio is all about. For example, your mom can buy something. Your mom can bring money. Idea?
Yes.
And maybe bring like 1,000 and say, Okachuku, please, you are going to divide this money in the ratio of 2:3:1. Look at that. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Your father will be like, divide this money in this ratio. That what does it mean? It means that your mom or your dad, he doesn't want you to share it equally. Are you with me? Now, assuming you people are 4, okay, assuming I have something like 1,200, please pay attention. We have 1,200 naira. I'm using money now. Are you there? Now your mom brought 1,200 and she said you should share this money, give per 3. Now of course, if you wanted these people to get equal amount, you say divide it equally. Is it not true? Yeah. That's when if I divide it equally, that means everybody should be getting how many naira? Are you seeing it now? Yeah. Like if all of us if I should divide it in equal ratio. Idea? If I want to divide it in equal ratio, that means everybody is meant to get 400 naira. Are you with me?
Yes.
But your mom can say, okay, no, that even though you people are my children, but because as touching your functionality and as touching your relevance, all of you are not what now? Are not the same. Idea? Your mom will say, no, that this person happens to be my favorite. Idea? And in the aspect of maybe undergoing some domestic chores at home. I don't mean, you know, there are some persons that you hardly see their mom. I don't mean you hardly see their mom talk good on them. They know what to do at the right time. So the mom will come back. They have already gone to maybe bring what is it maybe bring water for the mom to bathe. I don't mean and try to arrange mommy. What are we going to do? Do you get it now? You see the person will rush to the kitchen and start doing something. Do you get it now? Why there are some persons that when the mom will come back, you know, the mom will hardly see the person at where? At home. I see it now. So when there is a tithing, or when there is a profit, or a gift at home, you don't expect the same mom to share this thing equally. I know what I mean? It is not ideal. So that is the essence of having this ratio. Idea? That's the essence of writing this policy. That is the essence of having this.
Bye.
Now, write in your notes. Let's define the ratio. Let's define ratio. Also, define ratio. Right. Ratio is the comparison. Ratio is the comparison of two quantities. So when you want to compare two quantities, then ratio is the comparison of two quantities. Idea? Of two quantities that have the same units. Of two quantities, the comparison of two quantities that have the same what now? Unit. Idea? Yes. That have the same what now? Yes. Now that money I use as an instance is a quantity. Idea with me? Yes. It has what 1 unit, is it not true? Yes. Then of course it mustn't be money. Idea? It can be mango. Idea? It can be cashew. It can be any form, anything at all. Idea? They can buy clothes and say, we are not going to divide this equally because all of us are not performing the same function here. Idea? We are going to divide it based on people that are relevant. So if you know you like remembering, whenever there is work, you like deviating. Idea? Just be rest assured that when there is any profit at all to be shared, idea, they are going to share it based on people that are useful at home. If you are not useful, no profit will be given to you. Are you with me? Okay, right. Now let's go again. Ratio has no unit. Ratio has no unit when solving. Idea? Ratio has no unit when solving. Idea, and it can be written in three ways. And can be written in, that is, comparison can be written in three ways, and can be written in words. Now, the first way you can write it is as a fraction. So you can, ratio can occur as a word noun, fraction, idea, as two quantities separated by a column. Idea, by a column. Now, you know what I mean by column, pom-poms. Then, number 3 as a number. Idea, plus 2. As a fraction, as two quantities separated by a column. That's when you have something like 3:2:1. Idea, that's what you mean by separated by column. Okay? Idea, that's when you have this number separated by what now? As two quantities or numbers separated by column. Idea, what you mean is by saying, make something like when you have this 3:2. Idea, look at column here. 3:2. 2 what now? 1. I see it now. This is 3:2 what now? 1. Are you with me? Idea, that's it for them as 2. It can just be as two numbers. Then as a fraction, you can have it to be 1/3, 1/2. Idea, you can have it as a what now? As a fraction. You can divide it in terms of fraction. Are you with me? Okay. Alright, let's see what happens now. Now, having written that, now we are going to give example. Idea, we are going to start solving. What we are going to solve now with the questions from WAEC, from GCE, from JAM, from NAPTEP, and from NECO. Idea, all the final exams we are going to be writing. We are going to solve all of them. Idea, we are going to solve like 20 questions on ratio alone. Idea, so please ensure you pay attention and see what happens. Now we know what ratio is all about. We are trying to when you are trying to make comparison between two or more quantities. Idea. Now you are going to, of course, you are going to divide it. Now we say in this ratio now you must not divide it equally unless otherwise stated in the question. Idea, but they can tell you to divide it in so ratio. For example, they can say 2:1 or 2:3:1. Idea, as the case may be. Okay. Okay. Let's start solving now. Let's start solving. Okay. Now the first question will be. The first question will be, they said if, write problems now. We are starting with problems. They said if P is to Q is equal to 2:3 and Q is to R is equal to 4:7. So we should find P is to Q is to R. If P is to Q is equal to 2:3 and Q is to R is equal to 4:7, so we should find P is to Q is to what now? Is to R. Idea? Okay, now look at what they say we have. They say if P is to Q is equal to 2:3 and they said Q is to R is equal to 4:7, so we should find P is to Q is to R. Now I'm going to start solving. Now P is to Q is equal to 2:3. What does it mean? It means P. Now this is to mean what now? Over Q. Idea is equal to this is 2 all over having now. Are you with me?
Yes.
So this is always what now? Over. Do you understand? Now, but with your common sense, now look at because who brain is giving. Common sense is always expected. Idea? Now look at how to do the same. Look at what I'm finding. Now in the question, you notice that P here is 2 times. Is it true? Yes. Look at Q now. Look at Q here and look at Q. Meanwhile, P is 1 and R is also getting 1. Now those quantities that appear 1, I'm going to make them the subject of the formula. Are you with me? I'm going to make them the what? The subject of of the formula, I'm going to make it. Now, that means Q and Q, because Q appeared here and Q appeared here, I'm not going to touch it. Right there? So, in this first ratio given, I'm going to make what the subject there? P. Right here?
Yes.
When I come here, what am I going to make the subject?
R.
You know the reason why I'm making it?
Yes.
Because here is here and here is also what now? Alright, let's move. From here, what you are going to do is to cross what now?
Multiply.
If I cross multiply, 3 times this is 3 what now?
P.
And the other times this one is 2 what now? If I want to make P the subject, I will say P will not be 2Q all over. This 3 will come here, okay?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Then I will not come here again. I will say similarly. Mama, what are you similarly? Similarly, here is to R is equal to 4 is to what now?
7.
Now what are we doing? Here is to R, right?
Yes.
Is over. We have 4 all over how many now?
7.
When you cross multiply, what are we making the subject now?
R.
You know it is R, right?
Yes.
Now when I cross multiply, 4 times R is what now? And 9, here times 7 is what now? So that R is 7Q all over how many now?
4.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Now that we have gotten that, look at what I will do. Remember what they say we should find is this man. So I know what is my P. What is my P now?
2Q.
2Q all over how many now?
3.
Then is 2. What is my Q? Or what is my V? Then what is my R?
7Q.
7Q over how many?
4.
Now, the next thing I'm going to do, because this one is a whole number, this one is in fraction, this one is in fraction, I'm going to find the LCM so as to make it to be in what? In a linear form. Idea? I'm going to find the LCM so as to make it to be in what now? The linear form. Idea? So this one I can make it to for 1. LCM of 3, 1, 4 is how many? It's 12. Is it 12? It's 12, Nabi.
Yes.
I cannot, this is why I can jump class. I cannot come and visit your LCM. If you don't know your LCM at this age, better go and start to attack. Now LCM of 3, 1, 4 is how many?
12.
3 divided 12 is how many? 4. 4 times 8Q is 4 times 2 is how many now?
8.
8Q, Abi. Then is 2. 1 divided 12 is what?
12.
And 12 times Q
12.
is 2. 4 divided this man.
3.
Is it 3?
Yes.
And 3 times 7.
21.
Is it 21Q?
Yes.
Now, can Q cancel Q cancel Q?
Yes.
So what is your answer now?
8
is to 12 is to how many now?
21.
21. Is it hard?
No.
That's the answer.
Is it hard?
No.
Coffee.
Start.
I would mean, okay, so look at what they said. Now you can see this one now is as a whole, we have as fraction, so you can see this one appears in fraction. The other one we saw was as a word, as just a whole or a number, okay? Now, they say from here, they say P is to Q is equal to 2 over 3 is to 5 all over how many now? Now, my common sense, before you start solving, I want to convert this one to B, I want to convert it to B in what? I want to convert it to be in whole number. Idea?
Yes.
You get that just to make your work to look very easy for you. LCM of 3 and 6 is how many now? Is it 6? 3 divided 6 is how many? 3 divided 6 is 2. 2 times 2 is how many?
4.
So this one is 4 is 2. 6 divided 6 is what?
1.
1 times 5 is 5. Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
Now I'm using that I'm not going to use this one. What am I going to use? Then I will come here. Q is to R is equal to 3 over 4 is to 1 over how many now? 2. Are you seeing it now? So I'm going to find LCM of 4 and what now? 2. Which is how many now? 4 divided 4? 1. 1 times 3 is how many now? Is it 3? So this is 3 is to 2 divided 4 is how many? And 2 times 1? So have you seen? Look at what we are going to use now. This man and this man. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now, we now say something. That among these quantities that was given, now you are going to check the one that appears to. The one that appears to, you are not going to touch it. Are you there? Why? Now, pure is here and pure is here. Are you there? But B appeared 1 and R appeared what now? 1. P appeared 1 and R appeared what?
1.
So that means Now, those quantities that appeared 1 is when we are going to make the subject of the formula. Idea? So if I come here, this one will not be from here now. From here, this one is P all over what now? Is equals to 4 all over how many now? Now you notice that because Q is here and Q is also here, that means I'm going to make P the subject here. Idea? So if I cross multiply 5 times P is how many now?
5.
Then Q times 4 is what now? Then if I make P the subject, P is equal to 4Q all over how many now?
5.
Is it over 5?
Yes.
Then I will come to this man now. Look at here. This one is Q. This one is Q over how many? Is equals to 3 over what now? Now I'm making this one the subject, right?
Yes.
You cross multiply. 3 times R is how many now? And this times this is how many now? Now if I make R the subject, it's going to be 2Q all over how many?
3.
Is it 3?
Yes.
Now that I have done it, I will come to here to put it. What is your P? What is our P class? So I want to say but. What are you putting? P is to Q is to R. Let's put it. What is our P? Our P is 4Q over how many now?
5.
Is to, what is our Q? No, nothing. Nothing now. We did not touch it a bit. Then what is our R? 2Q over 3. Are you there? Please, it is not advisable you leave your answer this way. You must convert it to be a whole number. Are you with me? Now, this one is in fraction. This one is in whole number. This one is in fraction. So, my common sense, I will make everything here to be in fraction by making this one over what now?
Wow.
So, I will do LCM of 5, 1, 3 is how many now? Is it 15? So that 5 divided 15 is how many? 3 times 4Q. Is it 12Q class? 12Q is to 1 by 15. 15 times Q. 15Q is to 3 divided 15. 5 times 2Q is 10Q. Are you there? Now 10Q. Are you with me?
Yes.
So I will cancel Q with cancel Q with cancel what now? So the answer becomes, what is the answer now? 12 is to 15 is to what now? Now look at what happens here. Hey, look up here. Assuming it's only these two, I will not leave my answer this way. Why? Because something can divide. 3 can divide here to give me how many? And 3 can divide here to give me how many? So the answer is then to be 4 is to what now? Assuming I have something like 15 is to 10. I cannot leave my answer this way. I'm going to reduce it again. 5 can go here to give me how many? And 5 can go here to give me how many now? Assuming I have it to be 12 is to 10. I can still not leave my answer this way because 2 can go here to give me how many? And 2 can go here to give me how many? So at least when you have it in whole number, when you finish getting the answer, check whether something can divide through. Check whether a number that can divide across, right there. Now, nothing can divide here. There's no common number that can divide all of them. If I pick 2 can divide this one, 2 can divide this one, but 2 cannot divide this one. If I pick 3 can divide, 3 can divide, 3 cannot divide. If I pick 5 can divide, 5 can divide, 5 cannot divide. If I pick 6 can divide, 6 cannot divide, 6 cannot divide. I see. So there's no common factor. So that is why it is called a ratio. Are you with me? So please, when you finish getting the number, ensure that no number can divide it again. Are you with me? They don't have any common factor. If there's any common factor that can divide all of them, not just dividing only 2 or 3. If I have 3 or 4, any numbers I have there, you make sure that the number should divide it either with me across. Right there. If there's no number, they can leave it for them like that. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, well, copy. Thank you. Copy. Hey, look up it, man. Now, look at the page. If P is to Q is 1 over 3 is to 1 over 2, and Q is to R is equal to 2 over 5 is to 4 over 7, they say we should find P is to R. Very simple. Now, when you come to this question, look at P, Q is here, Q is also here. It appears twice, I mean. So what you are going to do is, I'm not going to make that Q the subject of the formula. I'm going to consider P and R. Are you with me? Now, by the nature of the question given, it made our life very easy. Because in this case now we are now looking for P is to R and not P is to Q is to R. I feel it now. So our workload has reduced. Now let me start from here. P is to Q is equal to 1 over 3 is to 1 over how many now? Now, will I say something? I don't want to form it like I can form it and get the answer. but I don't need it. So I want to paraphrase this man now, okay? Paraphrase this means you are going to find the LCM of 3 and 2. You find LCM of what? 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is what? This is, hey, carry your bag, come and sit in front here. From now henceforth, carry your seat. Please, join hands. Oh yeah, let's continue. Now, when you see it in fraction, you are going to find the LCM, I mean. LCM of 3 and 2 is what? Oh yeah, 3 divided 6 is only is 2. 2 times 1 is how many? So P is to Q is what now? 2 is 2. Oh yeah, let's go. 2 divided 6 is how many? Is 3. Then 3 times 1 is how many now? 2 divided 6 is 3, right? This 3 times 1 is what now? Now, let me do. Now, P is to Q. Is P all over what now? So that this is 2. This column here is 2. This column is 2. And it is what now? Over. Then equals to, this is 2. This column here, which is 2. This is how many now? Now, because we have here and here here, I'm going to make P the subject. So I'm going to cross multiply now. 3 times P is how many now? 3P, and 3 times 2 is what now? 2Q. Are you with me? Now if I make P the subject, it's going to be 2Q. All over this way will come to the 5. Are you with me? Then I will stop there. Then the next thing is to take care of this one. So here is Q equal R is equal to 2 over 5 is to 4 all over how many now? So since we did, we have Q equal R. Now LCM of 5 and 7 is how many? Is it 35? 5 divided by 7 is what? 35 is 7. 7 times 2. 14 is to 7 divided by 35. 5 times 4 is 20. I see it now. So this is Q is to means over R. Idea is equal to 14 over how many now? Idea. Now can I cross multiply? In this case now look at what I'm making the subject of the formula. This one. So R times this one is what? 14R. Then 20 times this one is 20 what now? So that R is equal to 20Q all over how many now? 14. Idea? Now remember what they say we should find is what? So we are looking for P is to R. What is P is to R? What is our P now? Our P is 2Q over how many? Is to our R is how many? 20Q over how many? Is it 14? Now find LCM of 3 and 14. Is it 42? Oh yeah, 3 divided 42. 14 times 2. 28Q. Idea? Then 14 divided 42. 3 times 20. 60Q. Now, of course, I cannot give my answer this way. I hope you know now. Oh yeah, 2. Let's start with 2. Let me divide Q first. Idea? Q with the first Q have been gone. So we have it to be 28 is how many now? So 2 here is how many? Then 2 here is how many? 30. I will still not leave it, because something can say divide. 2 here is how many? And 2 here is how many? I see it now. So the answer is 7 is to what now? So therefore P is to R is equal to 7 is to again 15. Right here?
Yes.
P is to R is equal to 7 is to what? I will stop here because something can divide. 3 can divide this one, but 3 cannot divide 7. 5 can divide this one, but 5 cannot divide it. So I will leave my case. I will rest my case.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Copy, do fast. Copy. Now, when you are born, look at you here. Look at you here. Look at your journey of life. Pay attention and listen. Look at your journey of life is from here to here. Are you with me? From here to here now. As the moment they give birth to you, as your age is going, you are migrating. Are you with me? You are going. Look at you now. As the age is going, you are going. Look at your graveyard here. So anytime as a day, as God gives us opportunity to see new day, your days is counting. You are going close to your graveyard. Now it is possible that some of us are already here. Now look at the life that is remaining. Meanwhile, you have many things. Meanwhile, you have many things to do for God. God sent you to do many things. Meanwhile, you have done just little sport. Just little. You have done little or no. I see it now. So your prayer should not be that I don't want to die. Everybody will die, including me. So that is why every I say, God, please, if there's anything you want me, if there's any solution you want me to give to my generation, I know to me, open my eyes to see it on time. I'll be able to discover it and serve it to the world. Is it not true? So when I want to die empty, that when I die, I will be able to disappoint the graveyard. Are you with me? Yes. Disappoint the graveyard, though. You will disappoint them. Go and check it there. The weirdest place on earth is not the oil well of Iraq and Iran. It is not the sin, the deceitful of ocean. It is not the Soviet Union. It is not the gold mines of Soviet Union. The weirdest place on earth is very close to our neighborhood. It is called the cemetery, the graveyard, or the memory park. Why do they call it memory park? Because when you go to burial ground, when you go to graveyard, when you go there, you are going to see ideas that never come to reality. You are going to see vision that just die at nightmares. You are going to see businesses that were never built. You are going to see schools that were never built. You are going to see songs that were never written, songs that were never sung. I say it now. You are going to be seeing ideas that never come to reality. You are going to see purpose that will never fulfill. So when you go now, if I should mind the way your mind goes, if I should mind the graveyard, I tell you like for sure that I'm going to become the greatest person. Are you with me? Because let me tell you, many people have enough download, but those people, the graveyard is going to need all those potentials. Guys, are you with me here? The graveyard will need all those potentials because when they were on earth, they were busy singing, they were busy, doing rubbish in their life, and their time is going. Without knowing that time is going, that's going for nobody. So when I say we are close, I know what I'm saying. Death should always be our greatest one and motivator. I know to me that when you know you are going to die one day, it is meant to motivate you to know that I've not actually started my journey of life. Idea, so that everything that God has bestowed inside of you, I want to unleash all of them. I want to release all of them. I know to me, I want to release all of them to this world. Go to graveyard. Many people, we have many artists there. There are many dancers there, but they weren't able to do what to manifest themselves. Go there, you are going to see many. There are some books. There are some books there. That listen, you know that inside some of us, inside some of you that in this class, there are some books that maybe it is possible that God have ordained some of us here to be to be a writer. It's not true. But if you now, okay, let me give an example. Look at someone like Chula. Look at somebody like Chimamanda Adichie or all these noble men that are writers. Look at them that are in the section as we do today, that are winning global prizes. Assuming what is it called? Chimamanda was following his boys in secondary school. He was following boys looking for Frank to go and touch his bum, looking for this other one to go and see. I hope you know that you wouldn't have discovered this thing on time. I hope you know. She would have been a Roskier by now. She would have been a Roskier by now. She would have been a Roskier by now. But because she's aware that I'm not just here for me to be showcasing myself. I'm not just here for my beauty. Right there, you stay in the middle, 2 hours, you are painting face, very soon, you paint your mom and join. Listen, if I use 1 hour to paint my face, I will not paint for almost again. It takes time to paint your face. Meanwhile, you are not painting your face. You don't paint your face, you don't take time to read. But when it is time to paint face, like, you can stay there 1 hour, you are painting face. Is it face you are going to eat? No, sir. God, am I saying that you should not paint your face? Paint your face, so I know me. The rest, remember, I keep on saying it in your class. The seed of acceptance is what? Appearance. Is not true. It is as you appear very neat. It is as you appear very okay that people will admire you. Is not true. That people will look at you and even find you worthy to be a wife and all of that. So if you like, when you pass, be spreading around, you're thinking yourself. What I'm trying to say in essence is, if you can make time to take care of your face and everything, also devote time to read your book. I don't see. Because everything what's written in this life is written inside the book. It is a must, so you must read that part. Are you with me? You must read, it's always something each. Are you with me, X is to Y is equal to 3 whole number 1 over 2 is to 2 whole number 1 over what now? 3. Are you there? Now we have X is to Y is equal to Y. Let's convert this into this fraction. We are going to convert it to be an improper fraction, right? What are we doing? 2 divided 3, 2 times 3. Plus 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7 over 2. 3 times 2 plus 1. Are you there? Then the next thing I'm going to do is look at what I'm doing now. Now I'm going to convert this because this is still a fraction. The next thing I'm going to do is to convert it to be a whole number. LCM, we are going to find LCM of 2 and 3, which is what now? 6. Okay? Now 2 divided 6 is 3, and 3 times 6, 7 is how many now? 3 divided 6 is 2, and 2 times 7 is how many? Is 14. Are you with me? Then I will undo F all over Y. If you go to 1 over what now? But remember that Y is here and Y is also Y appears twice. Right here? So I'm going to make F the what now? Subject. So I will cross multiply. This time this is 14F. Then this time this is 1 what now? Y. Okay? And if I make F the subject, I will have 21Y all over what now? 14. Right here? Now you can decide to reduce it from here. I can try to reduce it. So I have to use 7 can divide that 7 can divide that bit. 7 into this one is what? 3Y. And 7 into this one is what now? Is 2. Are you here with me? You can decide to reduce it from here in case you want. But I can try to reduce it. So this one is 7 can go into 1 to give you what now? 7 can divide 7 to give you 3. And 7 into 14 is what now? Now let's do this one. This is Y. Can you see from here? Can you see down? Okay, let me do it here. This one is Y is to C is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 4 is equal to 2 whole number 1 over 1 now. Y is to C. Give it to me. 4 times 1 plus 1. 5 over 4 is to 7 times 2 14 plus 1 is over 7. Right here. And LCM of this and this is how many now? Is it 28? 4 divided 8 is what? 7 times 5. Is it 35? Now 7 divided 8 is how many? 4 times 15. 4 times 15 now. 15 of them, 50. Then I will have Y is to 3 means Y over C is equal to 35 over how many now? Over 60. Are you here? Then I will cross multiply. I'm going to make Z the subject. Z times this one is 35 Z. Then this one is 50Y. Right there? So that Z is equal to 60Y. All over this one is the what now? 5. And you know something can divide a bit? Yeah? 5 here. 5 into this one is how many? 12. Okay? Then 5 into this one is how many now? 7. So that's how we together here. 5 into 6 is how many? 12 now. Okay? Then 5 into 7 is how many? Therefore, if X is to Y is to Z. If you put Y, what is X? X is 3Y over how many now? Is to Y. Then is to what now? Z is 12Y over what now? Over 7. Again? Alright, let's go. This one is over 1. We are going to find LCM of 2, 1, 7 is how many? Alright, give it to me. 2 divided 14 is what? 7 times this man. 1 divided 14. 14 times Y. 7 divided this one, 2. 2 times this man is 4Y. Okay? So Y comes to Y comes to Y. So finally we have 21 is to 14 is to what now? 24. Now check. Is there any common factor that can divide through? Nothing can divide, Abby. 2 can divide, 2 can divide, 2 cannot divide. 7 can divide, 7 can divide, but 7 cannot divide. So that becomes, I will not say X is to Y is to C is equal to what now? Is 1 is to 14 is to 34. I copy. Okay, so this is solution then. M is to N. Please look up here. M is to N is 1 over 5 is to 1 over how many now? 4. So of course we are going to find LCM. So M is to N is equal to LCM is how many? 5 times 20 is 4. 4 times 1. 4 divided 25. 5 times 1 is how many now? So that M is to means over N is equal to 4 over how many now? Cross multiply. So which one am I making this up here? I think it's M. So this time this is 5M. This time this is 4 what now? So that M is 4N over N over 5. Are you there? Then similarly we are going to consider N is to Y is equal to 3 over 7 is to 5 over how many now? LCM of 7 and 8 is how many? 8 is 8. So N is to Y. Alright, let's go. 7 divided 6 is what? 8. 8 times 3. 8 divided 7. So 8 divided 56. 7 times this man. 5. Right here. Plus N over Y is equal to 4 over what now? 5. Why this times this? Then this times this. Plus Y is 35 N over what now? Can anything go? If anything can go. Okay, then I want to say finally, let me clean this part. Okay, finally, then now what we are looking for is M. Idea? M is to Y, so we should find M is to what now? What is our M? M is what? 4N over how many now? So what is our Y? 35N is 35N over what now? Okay. Oh yeah, let's find the LCM now. 5 and 6 for example. You want to get it? So F is to Y is equal to 5 by this one. 34 times 4 times 6N. 34 by this one is 5. 5 times 35. 170 what? N. Can N comes to N? So which is 96 into 170 what now? M is to Y. I guess? So is there anything that can divide? So because nothing can divide, that is not our word now. That is our answer. Now, 17 naira is shared in the ratio of this. Look at that. Are we there? It's shared. So that means the ratio, the ratio is 7 is to 2 is to how many now? Then I will say sum of ratio now because you must get this wrong. The sum of ratios, idea, we now the sum is 7 plus 2 plus what now? 1. Which is equal to how many? 10. Class is it 10?
Yes.
Then sum share. Look at it, sum share. You know what I mean by sum share? The amount share, idea. How much was shared in their class? And sum share is 56,070 what now? Are you with me?
Yes.
Now they say what is the smallest share? Now, with your common sense, you should be able to know that among these ratios here, that the smallest number here is how many?